Our brand new Skinande IKEA dishwasher has stopped working. It shows a code, 0.30, which apparently means the anti-flood device is on. It was making beeping noises and a sort of dry pumping noise. I turned it off at the mains and shut off the water as per the instructions. The cause of flooding was probably too many coffee grounds blocking the coarse filter, now cleaned up. Memo, to self, don't let well-oiled Christmas revelers put the dishes in the machine. What is the correct way to reset it?
Welcome, my name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. Does the pumping noise continue if you open the door? Are you able to pull the machine out? Thanks, Rob.
Yes, it does. And no, it does not pull out. I am fairly practical, but it is not obvious as to how the front decorative panel comes off, so I have not been able to see if there is an inspection panel below it, to sponge out the bottom area. It was professionally fitted just a few weeks ago, integrated into a new IKEA kitchen.
Hi Mike, it sounds like the machine has water in the base, where the pumps are. This sets the flood guard and the discharge pump will run continuously in an effort to protect the electrics in the base. Turn off the electric. Remove the lower kick panel, below the main door. Look in there with a torch. It should be dry and I think it's wet. Dry this area out carefully. The machine should now be reset. If this reoccurs, you have a leak and will need to find it and rectify it. If you need more help, please just ask. In the meantime, can I ask you to take a moment and rate my responses so far? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
I had already determined that was a likely problem from an online search leading to this website. My problem is getting the front door panel of the IKEA unit off from the front door of the dishwasher. The decorative panels are hinged to move with the door, not fixed to it, and I cannot get a screwdriver onto the screws to undo them. It would need to be like an Allen key, with a right angle and a PH or PZ screw head. I have never seen such a tool in nearly 50 years of working life. Is there some easier way of getting to the lower inspection panel? It is not possible with the IKEA decorative door panels in situ. Mike.
Hi Mike, is there a panel over the lower kick panel? Rob.
Yes, the dishwasher has this IKEA unit door that covers the entire area of the front of the washer itself. I removed the lowest piece of trim that clips to the feet of the units, but that doesn't give any access to the lower part of the machine. I cannot believe that there is not some clever way to uncouple the fancy IKEA front panel, on its clever hinges, but for the life of me I can't see how to do it.
Hi Mike, well, I am afraid I don't know either. The joys of IKEA, eh? Removing this may be a question you would have to ask IKEA if it's not in the handbook. Most techs would give you the advice I have, and as you have seen online, but as for getting the door off, the only other option is to pull the unit out and tip it back to get the water out. I would suggest that if you are not happy to do that, you may have to call back the kitchen fitter. If I can help further, please ask me. In the meantime, can I ask you to take a moment and rate my responses so far? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.